Good day everyone. Today I will be sharing with you my preparations during my classroom observation 2, the learning materials, the instructional plan, and the PowerPoint that I used. Okay, let us start. My classroom observation tool are COT MELC-BASED, Grade 1 Health Quarter 2, Week 8. So this is my instructional plan in Health 1. Name of teacher, Teacher Bryle, Grade 1. Learning area, Health, Quarter 2, Week 8. Competencies or competency realizes the importance of practicing good health habits. H1PH-IIJ-5. Topic, kamahinungdanon sa mga buluhatong panglawas. Duration, 10 to 11 in the morning. Key understanding to be developed. Kinahanglang mahibawo kita sa kaimportansya sa mga buluhatong panglawas. Learning objectives, so we follow the KISAV: knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values. Knowledge, give the importance of practicing good health habits. Skills, demonstrate ways of taking care of one's health. Attitudes, show kindness to poverty-stricken people. Values, commit oneself in practicing good health habits. So the resources needed. So we have here links from YouTube. This is a prayer link from YouTube, and this second link is another action song from YouTube. Another resources needed, we have tar papel, videos, Health 1 Module 5, kamahinungdanon sa mga buluhatong panglawas, and also PowerPoint. Elements of the plan, so the methodology that I used was deductive method. So, explaining the topic, elements of the plan, methodology, deductive method. Preliminary activities, opening prayer, the Lord's Prayer. So, I searched, so here is the link that I used for my opening prayer, which is the Lord's Prayer. This can be found on YouTube, where the child recited an Our Father prayer. So, ang amahan namo in Bisaya. So, after that, teacher says, "Maayong buntag mga bata, manayo sa kita og manganta." So, here is the link for my action song. So, deep PE integration. So, I highlighted here PE integration since one of our indicators to be observed is apply knowledge within and across the curriculum. So, teacher tells the pupils to wipe their sweats. Presentation, activity. Teacher asks, "Unsa man ang atong gibuhat?" Teacher says, "Very good, nanayaw kita. O kana, usa ka exercise." Teacher asks, "Nganong mag-exercise man kita?" Teacher says, "Very good, ang exercise usa ka paagi aron mapahimsog ang atong lawas." Okay, next is review. Teacher says, "Let us check if you still remember the lesson we had on ways of taking care of our body." Teacher uses an engaging PowerPoint presentation in checking the learner's knowledge in the previous lesson. So here is my PowerPoint presentation on the review of the previous lesson. Pagbalik lantaw. So i-thumbs up ang kamot kung ang ideya sa kapahayag nagahisgot og hustong gawi para maangkon ang himsog nga panglawas, ug thumbs down kung wala. So mo ni ang review. So, maligo kada adlaw. So, unsa may answer sa mga bata? Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? Maligo kada adlaw, thumbs up. Usapag maayo ang pagkaon sa baba. Okay, thumbs up ba? Sakto? Or thumbs down? Dili sakto. Thumbs up. Manghugas og kamot sa dili pa mukaon. Okay, thumbs up ba ni or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Next, muinom og soft drinks. Okay, unsa may answer ani sa mga bata? Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? Down. Mag-toothbrush sa ngipon. Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Up. Okay, thumbs up. Mag-toothbrush sa ngipon is thumbs up, correct. So that's how I presented my review on the previous lesson. Teacher gives rewards to learners. So here, highlighted, praises and rewards. Teacher shows a video sample on ways in taking care of the body. Pupils presenting actions on ways in making the body healthy, which was taught by the teacher. So, I presented here a video sample of my previous pupils nga nag-action sila og usang buhaton para mahimong himsog ang lawas. So, naa sila'y mga actions nga gipang buhat nga akong gitudlo. I cannot show it to you since I did not ask permission from the parents, but you can search on the internet or on the YouTube on ways in taking care of the body. So, now here, after the review, teacher asks, now you already know the ways in taking care of our body. This time, we will now know on why we should take good care of our body. So the next part of our instructional plan is analysis. Here, karong adlaw atong iskutan ang kamahinungdanon sa mga buluhatong panglawas. Teacher discusses the importance of good health habits. So, teacher will first define what is kamahinungdanon is. Unsa man ang kamahinungdanon? So, dapat explain sa ni unsay pasabot o kamahinungdanon. So, teacher will ask the learners unsay pasabot o kamahinungdanon. So, giving off examples. And then here, kamahinungdanon or kaimportansya sa mga buluhatong panglawas. So, teacher flash on the PowerPoint presentation the picture here. Then ask learners on what they can say about the picture. Then after that, kanina ang definition, it will mo flash na ang pagkaon mo sustansyang utan ug prutas ug kapunay mag-ehersisyo kay makatabang para ma-skill ang lawas. Okay, next. So here next we have here post na pod another i-flash sa PowerPoint this one and then ask the learners again on what they can say about the picture, and after that kari ng definition and i-flash. So now here the teacher will ask the learners to read the sentence para naatay reading integration. So para another na pod nga sa ato ang indicator. One of the indicators is apply knowledge within and across the curriculum. So, para ma-check atong 3 indicators that should be visible in our instructional plan and also during our demonstration. Since those 3 indicators mo otoy kinahanglan nga obserbahan sa mga supervisors, these are the 3 indicators that the observers or the supervisors want to see during your classroom observation. So here, teacher integrates the importance of proper hand washing and wearing of masks and relates it to the current pandemic events. So here, I will review again the 3 indicators that should be observed during the classroom observation. So here we have the 3 indicators. So first is apply knowledge of content within and across curriculum teaching areas. So this means that if your topic is all about health, you can integrate topics, lessons, or skills from another subject. So that's why katong sa kinaunahan pa lang, we have the PE integration sa katong nagpasayaw ta. So, our subject is health, but then we integrated the health skill which is katong ni sayaw. And also here, reading integration kung magpabasa ta sa bata. So, we already apply. So, here, we already apply the first indicator, which is apply knowledge of content within across curriculum teaching areas. So here, our second indicator, plan and deliver teaching strategies that are responsive to the special educational needs of learners in difficult circumstances, including geographic isolation, chronic illness, displacement due to armed conflict, urban resettlement or disasters, child abuse and child labor practices. So I inserted it here, the second indicator, in my instructional plan and also during my classroom observation. So teacher integrates the importance of proper hand washing and wearing of masks and relates it to the current pandemic events. KRA, or the second indicator, plan and deliver teaching strategies that are responsive to the special educational needs of learners in difficult circumstances, including chronic illness. So, the COVID-19 pandemic. Teacher asks, what will you do if your neighbor doesn't have money to buy mask and also is suffering from asthma? We are now already inserting the second indicator, which talks on special educational needs of learners. So, as a learner, unsa man imong buhaton aron ikaw makatabang. So, especially during sa COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, let's proceed this one. Here, ang pag-toothbrush kada adlaw makatabang sa himsog nga lagos og ngipon. Next, ang pagkatulog og sayo makatabang kini para malisigon kada adlaw. Ang pagkaon og gulay ug prutas ug pag-inom og gatas kay makagwapa og makagwapo. Our topic here is very short but it can be lengthened enough if there is a great interaction of ideas between the teacher and the learner. So it is the sole responsibility of the teacher to ask questions, to give higher order thinking skills questions, so that great ideas from the teacher and the learners will come out. Okay, so this is just very short. So that is the technique, great interaction of ideas between the teacher and the learners. So teacher asks, kanong importante man nga magbuhat kita sa mga buluhatong panglawas? Okay, teacher encourages learners to give their ideas. Teacher will give rewards or praises to pupils who will answer the question. The next part, abstraction. Teacher asks, what can you say about the picture? Why is it that the child is not healthy? Teacher lets the pupils share their answer and write their answers on the board. So here, another indicator to be observed is katong number 1, apply knowledge within and across the curriculum. So writing integration, so letting the pupils write their answers on the board. So remind them also the proper way of handwriting. Next, teacher posts another picture. Teacher asks, what can you say about the picture? Why is the child healthy? Teacher asks pupils to write their answers on the board. Writing integration. So here we already have check for the first indicator and another check for the second indicator. So this one, writing integration, is our first indicator. Teacher posts a big sun at the center. Teacher asks volunteers to pull the rays and read the. Teacher posts a big sun at the center. Teacher asks volunteers to pull the rays and read the importance of practicing good health habits. So here this one. So kamahinungdanon sa mabuluhatong panglawa. So na mga strips nga birahon, aripikas, ubos, gilid. Okay, mo to ilang birahon and then ipabasa. Application, group activity, group 1, idibuho ang malipayon nga nawong kung sakto ang ideya sa gihatag nga kapahayag ug masulubon kun dili sakto. Group 2, kompletuha ang puzzle. Group 3, basahang sitwasyon ug idrama kung unsa ang inyong buhaton bahin sa sitwasyon. So here is the learning materials that I used. So this is for group 1 activity. Idibuho ang malipayon nga nawong group 1. And then for group 2 activity, kompletuha ang puzzle, i-connect kini. So inag-print mo na kuan lang po ni siya, i-divided into 4 i-cut para mapurma sa mga bata ang puzzle. And then for group 3 dramatization, this one, so i-connect ra po na siya kani nag-print. Ben, gusto ko maparihan nimo nga himsog unsa ang angay nakong buhaton. So i-dramatize ninyo og unsa may angay buhaton para mahimsog. Assessment, isuwat ang check kung sakto ang ideya og X kung dili sakto. Test 2, idibuho sulod sa lingin ang resulta kung ang bata mosunod sa mga maayong buhatong panglawas. So here is our assessment sheet. So idibuho ang malipayong nawong kung ang ideya sa kapayag sakto bahin sa kamahinungdanon sa mga buhatong panglawas ug masulubong nawong kung dili sakto. So this one. And then for test 2, idibuho sulod sa lingin ang resulta kung ang bata mosunod sa mga maayong buhatong panglawas. So test 1, the teacher will read this together with the learners, magdungan og answer. After that, for test 2, the teacher will read the given directions and also mag-draw na ang bata. After that is our assignment. Here we have the reinforcing the day's lessons. Do the very good applause. Teaching today's lesson, pledge of commitment in practicing good health habits. So how did I do it? I asked the learners acted by the teachers to stand up and say, repeat after me. So here, ang sample. Ako nagasaad nga hatagan og kamahinungdanon ang mga buluhatong panglawas. Ginoo. So you will ask nganong naa pa makoy tar papel ani nga naa naman ni siya sa PowerPoint presentation. So di ba in a slides, so isa ra man ni siya ka topic during sa slides and then gi-discuss. And then the next topic na pod kanina pong washing. So naa kay picture nga gi-post ato sa blackboard for the learners to review or retain the idea about the lesson. So this one, checking of my assessment. This PowerPoint presentation will be uploaded on my next video. So that's it. I hope I was able to help you for your classroom observation preparations. Daghang salamat ug kita-kita tapon. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.